All right, here on example C, what we have now is two things. First of all, there is a decimal, okay? And this decimal is 1.5. 1.5 is the answer to a multiplication problem. It is equal to 4 times A. One of the strange things about example C is that the variable is no longer on the left side, it's on the right side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the 4A to the left, and I'm going to move the 1.5 to the other side. But there's a little problem. The equal sign has to be changed as well. So what I'll do is I am rewriting the problem so that it looks handy and easier to work for me. Did that make sense to you guys?
Yes.
The equal sign is like a balance. It's like a seesaw. One side has to equal the other side. So if one side is 1.5, I can move it to the other side because they're equal. They are the same amounts. So it doesn't matter if it's on the left or on the right. Okay, now that we've gone this far, I think you know what to do. You expect that I will divide by 4 on the left and divide by 4 on the right. Bueno, here we go. There's the division of 4. And again, we are dividing by 4 in order for the A to be isolated. Because 4 divided by 4 is 1. So my Cornell note line on this side, I want you to understand that 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. So everything you see in green that's been highlighted has been changed to 1. 1 times A is equal to whatever the heck 1.5 divided by 4 is. Okay, no matter what kind of mental math ability you have, you probably can't solve that problem on your own. Okay? I can't. So I'm going to have to resort to good old-fashioned paper and pencil. Here's how the work is going to look like. First of all, A times 1 is equal to simply A. And if you can recall those days that we had fractional work, over on the right-hand side of the equal sign, right here, this term, the top number would go inside. 1.5 is now inside. And I am dividing by 4. That is my divisor. Okay? All right, friends. Now it's just a matter of working this out. When you're dividing by decimals, don't forget to include the decimal point in your quotient right away. 4 times what is close to 15?
3.
Right. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 is my remainder.
Bring down your 0.
I'll add 1 0. And I know a little something about this answer. Since I'm running out of space, let me tell you that 7 times 4 is 28. You can see I'm out of space. Now I'm going to have a remainder of 2. But I'm going to add 1 more 0 to make it 20.
That's 20, that's 5. That's 5.
So 5 times 4 is 20. Now, I apologize for my handwriting and running out of space. But I hope you can see that the decimal value is 0.375, otherwise known as 375 thousandths. Okay? If I can summarize, I know A is equal to 375 thousandths.